Hi, my name is Dan Anderson, and in this video I'm going to show and teach you how to use one of the strategies I use to make money online by trading binary options. Now, I chose to show you this particular strategy because it's very easy to learn, but don't let the simplicity fool you. With this particular strategy, I am able to generate between $1,000 and $1,700 a day. And if you watch this video right up until the end, I'm going to prove it to you. Now, this strategy is perfect for both beginner and professional traders. That's right, even people who have never dealt with shares, stocks, or currencies before can succeed from day one. And I promise you that by the end of this video, you'll be able to open your own binary options account and start trading just like I do. Now, trading binary options is very simple. You just have to decide whether the price of a certain currency or stock is going to go up or down within a certain period of time. And at the end of that time, you're able to generate an 81% return on the money you invested. That's the magic of binary options. And really, there isn't any other investment options available that will result in such a high return in such a short period of time. So let's get to it. So today is December 6th, and it's 4:39 in the afternoon. Now, I have $227.72 in my account after depositing $100 earlier today. Now, in this video, I'm trading 30-minute binary options, and I'm using a platform called OptionBit because OptionBit has one of the largest volumes of 30-minute binary options traders, and volume is exactly what we're after with this strategy. Now, you'll soon learn how I use this high volume of trading to my advantage, along with a very important tool called the Trader Insight to make investment decisions. So why don't we get the trading going already? Alright, as you can see here, this is OptionBit's binary options trading platform, and on the right, you can see the date again. Now notice I have $172.72 in my account, but this balance is due to the $50 trade that I've already got open, which you can see at the bottom of the screen. Now, it's important for me to emphasize that the system I'm going to show you works not only with currencies, but you can also use it to trade indices, stocks, or commodities. Today, I'm trading currency. But every now and then I choose to work with a different kind of investment. Changing things up once in a while makes my days more interesting. But more importantly, it also helps to diversify my trading portfolio. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what you're seeing here, but as you can already tell, it's really quite simple. You can see the different pairs of currencies that are available to be traded. For example, you can trade the euro against the US dollar, or the pound against the US dollar, or any other pair of currencies that you might be interested in. Down here is one of the most significant trading tools you're ever going to use. It's called Trader Insight. Now, this is a social trading tool that shows you what direction the majority of people are trading at the moment, and it's updated constantly so you can actually see how most people are trading at any given moment. Now, as you can see here for the Euro-USD pair, 53% of traders are saying the pair is going to go down, while 47% of traders are saying it's going to go up. The reason I'm showing this to you is because it's an important part of my trading system. Here you have the call or above button. You'll trade by clicking this button when you think the price will go up, the current rate of your currency pair, and the put or below button for when you believe the price will go down. This graph over here shows you how the currency has performed during the last hour or so. As you can see, and as we saw previously by checking the Trader Insight tool, the euro is plummeting. Just think about how many successful trades we could have made already today. So back to the $50 trade that's still wide open. Now, if it comes in, I'll make a return of $90.50, which is actually a profit of $40.50. The strike column shows the exact Euro-USD rate at the time I entered into the trade, and the last expiry column shows the exact time the trade will expire, meaning the time when I'll know whether I've won or lost the trade. Now, as you can see, this will happen at 5 p.m., which is about 16 minutes from now. I don't want you to get bored waiting, so I'm going to pause the video now and return when this trade is about to expire. So hold on. So we're back, and as you can see here, it's close to 5 o'clock, and we've just a couple of seconds left until the trade expires, and then we'll know if I was able to make that $90.50 return on my $50 investment. Okay, so it's just about to come in. Excellent, there you go. This one's a winner. So I've managed to turn my $50 investment into $90.50, which means I've generated a $40.50 profit in 30 minutes. Now, I know that's not a lot of money, but wait until the end of the video because you'll be able to see what happens after just a few days of trading. Now, let me just click on the My Trades link over here. Oh, and notice that my balance has already updated and is now $268.22. Here you can see the date, the currency pair I traded, the direction of my trade, the trade rate when I opened the trade, and the exact time when the trade expired. Now here you see the payout, 181%, and my overall profit of $40.50 for this trade. As I mentioned, in today's world, there are very few financial investments that allow you to make a return as big as 81% in just 30 minutes. Now just look at the numbers here and add a few zeros to each investment, and then calculate the return that you could get with $1,000 or even $10,000. The profits will just continue to mount up. All right, I'm going to pause the video again now, and I'll be back with you in exactly half an hour so that we can start the next trade. All right, we're back half an hour later, and I've opened 2 more trades, and these trades are about to expire. Again, we'll wait for the time to count down and watch for the return to show up there in green. All right, now notice I've gotten a return of $21.72 and $90.50 on these $12 and $50 trades, respectively. So the majority of traders were right yet again. Let's click on My Trades up here to show you how these trades have come in. So you can see all of my trades over here and the total profit I was able to generate today, and you can also see the power of following the majority of traders using the Trader Insight tool, as the majority of traders really don't tend to be wrong too often. However, I don't want you to make the mistake of thinking that following the majority of traders will always result in success, because this just isn't the case. In fact, no one's able to predict the future of a currency's value, but don't worry, this is only the first part of this video series. In my next video, which is available in our members section for free, I'll show you how I use a risk management strategy along with the Trader Insight tool to help protect my investments in the long run. So let's check the balance now. It's showing $318.44. Now, 50-something minutes ago, I had about $227 in my account, which means I've made about $90 in under an hour. So if we calculate an hourly rate based on this amount, let's see, that's $100 to $110 an hour, which isn't bad at all. But that's still not what you came here for, because making $100 in 1 hour trading binary options, well, that's not much of a challenge, as you can imagine. But you're probably wondering if my strategy is consistent enough to make such hourly calculations, and if it's consistent enough to make a significant profit after a few days of trading. Well, I'm going to continue trading by following my strategy for the next 10 days or so, so I'm going to pause the video now, and I'll be back with you then. All right, we're back, and almost 2 weeks have passed since the first part of this video, and the results are phenomenal. As you can see, today is December 17th, and it's 12:30 in the afternoon. Now, if you look at my account balance, it shows $17,138.08, meaning I've managed to make $17,000 in less than 2 weeks using this simple strategy that I'm going to teach you. As I'm sure you'll agree, this is a fantastic income for less than 2 weeks worth of work. So what you saw just now is only part of the strategy, and actually more of a demonstration so that you're able to see the financial potential of trading binary options. However, in the next video in the series, I'm going to show you the full system, and I'm going to guide you through it step by step, 100% free of charge. Yeah, that's right. I'm so confident in this system that I'm sharing it with you for free so that you can try it out before buying our product below. So if you want to watch the complete step-by-step video that will explain the quick demonstration of my strategy that you just saw in much more detail, all you need to do is enter your name and email address in the form below this video on www.thetraderinpajamas.com, and I'll send you all the information immediately, free of charge. So I'll see you soon in our members section.